Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add an event in Mixpanel. All right, so first up, you would need a board. If you don't have a board, you can go ahead and check out the video on the channel where it says how to create a dashboard here in Mixpanel, okay? Once you're done creating your board, you can now go ahead and open it up like so, and go ahead and click on Add Content, okay? Once done, just select any existing reports right here. For example, Insight Reports, just click on it. Now in here, on the right panel, you have the metrics, okay? Under that, just select on this event. Now go ahead and click on Create, okay? It says here, create custom event, formula, funnel, retention, or cohort, okay? Just click on Create. Now click on Custom Event, okay? Name the event, for example, Sample Event, okay? Now, it says here, match my custom event when any of the following events happen. So click on Add. You should be able to see a ton of events right here if you have the paid version, okay? So basically, custom events work as a combination for existing events, okay? Now, another option for adding an event is by going to Metrics again. Click on it. Select from any pre-existing events right here. For example, Session Start. Now go ahead and add in a new event, okay? Click on the plus sign right here. We have A and B. Add in maybe Session End, like so. And here you have your events. All right, once that's done, just hit on Save. After that, you're good to go. You have now created a custom event in Mixpanel that tracks a combination of other events. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.